What is up guys, welcome back to another video. This is day 41 of trading, and today's trade was a loss. And today we would have avoided today's loss, but everything went south and we just decided to take a loss today, and that's bad. We just need to keep showing up every day, and hopefully one day we'll get a breakthrough. So today's trade was, honestly, today's price action was a bit confusing, because at first I was aiming for longs, and longs indeed did play out, because today I took two trades, if I can remember very well. I took two trades. One was here and it was a long. I can't remember very well, but I was longing off of this, off of the price tapped into this fair value gap, right here, and I was longing off of this fair value gap. Because price prior that I had taken out a swing low on the 1 hour time frame, so there was also a possibility of price heading higher, and indeed it went higher. As you can see, price tagged me in, went down, stopped me out, and then went higher. After that move was formed, then my bias switched from bullish price action to bearish price action. Let me just show you what I was looking for a while. Tell me what you want. My God, this thing is freezing. Hold up. Yeah, my network is a bit slow, so just bear with me guys. So as you can see here, what I told you earlier, prior to that long, price had already taken out this swing low, so I was looking for higher prices, but I also would have traded lower prices, because we are in our fair value gap right here. We are in this 1 hour fair value gap. That was also a possibility of price dropping lower. There was also a possibility of price dropping lower, but it didn't. Longs played out at this specific time. So after the longs playing out, the longs took out these two. There are two swing highs right here. These two swing highs right here. The longs took out these two swing highs right here and tapped into this fair value gap on the hourly time frame. So instantly I saw that my bias changed. The moment I saw that my bias changed from bullish to bearish price action. So after seeing that, I dropped down to the 5-minute time frame, and bear in mind I first waited for this candle to close in order to look for a very top tier entry. So after that candle closed, I dropped down to the 5-minute time frame. The 5-minute time frame delivered perfectly. We had this big fair value gap, and I was waiting for price to disrespect it, then tap into it again. After price disrespecting this gap, I got my entry on the 1-minute time frame, put my stops here. Today I gave stop loss a little bit of breathing room. Yesterday I learned my lesson, so put my stop loss there. I was aiming for price to take out this swing low right here, but I never thought that I would get edged by one 5-minute fair value gap. I didn't think that I would get edged by 1 5-minute fair value gap. But the only thing that was scaring me on this trade was this fair value gap right here. Oh, we were still in the 50. This is why I got disrespected. This gap here proved my bias wrong. The reason why I didn't go break even in this trade, spreads, I didn't want to get stopped out early due to spreads on my break even. And let me show you just an example. Real quick of why I didn't go break even. My God, my network is very, very slow. Here we go. So where was I? So initially I was supposed to go break even here, but I didn't go break even here because price had these fair value gaps. It had to fill. Price had to fill these fair value gaps, then drop lower. After price dropping lower, taking out this low, dropping lower, taking out this low, I would have also taken a break even here, but if I put here my break even, price would have reached somewhere around here, stop me out, then continued lower. As you can see here, as you can see on this move, price would have stopped me on this move, stopped me out on this move right here. So that's why I didn't want to use break evens on this trade. I didn't use break evens on this trade. I just wanted price to go either hit my take profit or stop loss. So that is the trade, guys. Thank you very much for watching the entire video. I hope you guys leave a sub and a like and a comment. I really appreciate what you do for me, and yeah, I'll keep the content coming, and hopefully we'll become profitable. All of us will become profitable. So for now, peace.